Welcome to Hello Art Studio. If you are ready, so here are 20 tips to help you get start. Stop comparing yourself to others. Proud yourself to yourself, not others. Fear of drawing also has a way of showing through lack of confidence. And we usually doubt ourselves because we compare our art to the art of other artists. I'm sure it happened to you before. You followed a lot of stunning artists on social media and scroll through your feed seeing all of this gorgeous art. It's a way for you to get inspired to draw, but you feel stuck. You then look at our art and feel bad for yourself because you are nowhere close to the skill set you want. That's the problem with social media. Artists don't post the 50 bad drawing they did over the week, they choose the 2 they like the most. It makes us feel like failures sometimes, but practice is key, so try not to feel stuck. Also, it's just not reasonable to compare the beginning of your journey to someone's middle. Don't do that. Start your art journey today. I chose to be the most beautiful version of myself inside and out. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon for daily notification.